Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of -0.48 and a momentum of -1.33 in the stock market. What's striking is that this negative sentiment is significantly lower than the historical baseline, indicating a notable shift in sentiment that could signal deeper concerns among investors. Our API returns detailed sentiment data, including the underlying emotions driving this shift, across 19 semantic clusters. This means you can pinpoint specific areas of anxiety or uncertainty. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm. You could use this data to adjust your strategies in real time, maybe even shorting positions amidst this negative sentiment wave. For more insights and to leverage our API effectively, visit pulsebitenterprise.com/docs. Start turning market sentiment into actionable intelligence today.